The day when I did that 2-ingredient, no bullshit sauce, people got really pissed about how I said this word. I'm gonna see if I can say it correctly today. I'm gonna try a couple different things. I have Google Translate. Let's hear what they say.
Worcestershire.
Shit. Alexa, tell me about Worcester sauce.
Worcestershire sauce or Worcester sauce is a fermented liquid condiment invented by the pharmacists John Wheely Lee and William Henry Perrins in the city of Worcester in Worcestershire, England, during the first half of the 19th.
Okay, Alexa, stop. That's enough. I say Worcester. I guess that's wrong. Let me hear Google again. I'm gonna drink it and see if I can say it.
Worcestershire.
Worcestershire. That's Google.
Worcestershire.
Worcestershire. Worcestershire, Worcester, W sauce. I don't know. You tell me, how do you say it? What do you say when you're trying to order this sauce? W sauce, Worcester.
Worcestershire.
Please help. Comments. If you have a different translator aside from Alexa, Siri, or Google, please let me know how to say this. I'm struggling. I need your help.